Hey there, future entrepreneurs. Today we are going to talk about a business model that has seen a sharp rise in demand and popularity in recent years, the delivery service business. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your business as successful and profitable as can be. Picture this, you're facilitating the connection between goods and the people who need or want them, all from the comfort of your control room, which can be just about anywhere. Sounds cool, right? Now, let's delve into the nitty-gritty of starting your own delivery service. Starting off, let's address the burning question, why a delivery service? Well, did you know that in the past 2 years, the e-commerce industry grew by a whopping 27%? That's right, and a large chunk of that relies heavily on delivery services. Not just for e-commerce, though, there are countless opportunities in the local markets, too. Imagine aiding your community by delivering fresh produce, groceries, or even documents. All right, let's break down the steps to get your business off the ground. First, conduct some market research in your local area. Understand the demand, the existing competition, and find out what unique services you could possibly offer. You know, something that makes you stand out. Next on the list, decide what kind of delivery service you wish to start. It could be anything, like a same-day delivery service, or maybe even a specialized one focusing on perishable goods or sensitive documents. Think about what suits your style and what your community needs. Now, it's time to figure out the logistics. It's essential to have a solid plan in place. A plan that outlines the transportation, the routes, delivery timings, and so on. You don't want to start off all jumbled up, right? Talking about logistics, did you know, according to a recent survey, about 35% of delivery businesses stated that managing logistics was their biggest challenge. So you see, giving this area a good chunk of your focus will only set you up for success. Moving on, let's talk legalities. Ensure to get all the necessary permits and licenses to operate legally in your region. You wouldn't want to get into any trouble before you even start, right? Thousands of delivery services across the country depend on our organization for receiving and maintaining permits and licenses. All you'll need to do is visit legalregistration.com. Next up is technology. In this digital age, having a tech-savvy approach will be your best friend. Consider setting up a website or an app to manage orders and deliveries seamlessly. It's all about making life easier for your clients and yourself, of course. And last but definitely not least, let's talk money. Figure out your pricing strategy. It's all about finding that sweet spot where your services are valued rightly and your business is profitable. Once again, to get your delivery service licensed and registered quicker, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's inspired you to consider starting a delivery service? Leave your comment below and let us know your dreams for the future. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.